Like everything in life, you just got to go with the flow. And these little rapidy bits, I found that you just got to let it go. I'm leaning forward a bit so that the fin, if it does hit, it just kind of like bumps over the rocks. I checked the fin this morning, it's actually not in bad condition. So here we go. You look at that though. It's almost like the river knows where to take you to get you through a bit. So you just kind of go with it. Yeah. And I think we're through another little rapidy bit. This has definitely become less about how far I can travel now and more about just getting down the river in one piece. Trying not to like sink all my stuff. So far so good. Haven't lost any of my equipment or get anything too wet apart from myself. But yeah, just chilling, mate. Just chilling. You know, if there's one small gripe I got about this river, when they built this river, they should have built it a bit further away from the roads. I can hear the cars all the time. They should have thought, you know what, there's a road here, we'll build the river a bit further away. One other thing is that the rapidy bits, I get it, you wanted to make the river fun, so you put rapids in and stuff, like every water park has. But I don't know, if you just had it all the same depth, it'd be nicer to go down on the sup. So next time you're putting a river in Wales, don't put it near a road, and maybe have one without the rapidy bits, just constant depth, like a lazy river. You know, lazy rivers, everyone enjoys a lazy river. Not everyone enjoys the rapids. It's made it more challenging there. But yeah, keep your rivers away from roads, and then forget the rapids. Maybe I'm just old. I am old. Worst time to talk about this, but there's a sign over there and it says ice cream snacks. Mate, if there is an ice cream stall around here, business has got to be slow, but I'm going to be buying an ice cream, I'll tell you that much. Let's see if I can get through this bit. Oh, what the fuck is that? Look. Whoa. It's like a fucking white bumblebee. Yeah, I'm stuck. my first full-on capsize. Managed to get to the side and get the board back up. Only one side of the stuff got wet on the side. I held it up pretty well. Of course, I was going past a pub garden at the time, full of like Welsh blokes having their Saturday beers, and they gave the obligatory cheer. I'd have done exactly the same, but I got back up and I literally scampered away as quickly as I could. Fucking hell. Yeah, luckily it seems like the most sketchy moments are like when it's fast water, and that tends to be when the tide's like, or the water's low, so close to the rocks, so you can just literally like get yourself to the side. There's like waist deep, board over, half my bags are like gone in, but all good. Living the dream, carries on. Sky's a bit grey, so I might have to set up camp a bit early today to stay dry, because I'm soaking now that I've been in. But we're trooping on, and we're getting pretty far. I've gone past Hay on Wye. I've gone past the next bit. I can't remember. That capsize, just yeah, not necessary, man, not necessary. Very dramatic. Right, carry on. Always find the perfect hammock spot at the non-perfect time, so it's far too early to be stopping and setting up a hammock, but it's like these trees here were just made for it. Look at all these trees, perfect spacing. Hopefully it'll just go on and on with trees like this. I doubt it, but the spacing is incredible.